Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. The Thabo Bester and Dr Nandipha Magudumana saga keeps on growing day by day, with people who were once entangled or have worked with the two keeps on coming out with their dirty laundries and files, you guys, a day by day. Now, according to an article which is written by the IOL, beauty therapist and salon owner Tafitali Mars revealed to the publication that he was hired by Thabo Bester and Dr. Nandipha Magudumana in November 2022 to recruit girls for their modeling agency called iMedia. According to Tefi, the beauty therapist said Thabo Bester came to his salon last year for a haircut. They exchanged numbers and eventually they started chatting there on WhatsApp. This is what he told the publication, and I quote, "We started chatting on WhatsApp and he invited me for lunch at the Silo Hotel where he told me about his business ventures. He said he was in property development and media related work." Fast forward, Thabo Bester started visiting his salon, Tafi Salon, twice a week to do his hair, with Dr. Nandipha Magudumana accompanying him to the salon. Nandipha was allegedly and reportedly introduced to Tafi as Thabo Bester's wife. This is according to what Tafi told the IOL publication. Tafi said that he spent time with Dr. Nandipha Magudumana and later he was employed by Dr. Nandi and Thabo Bester to work as a recruiter for their modeling company, which is called I Model Management. The beauty therapist says he'd find girls, send their pictures to the couple, and arrange meetings between the girl and Bester. In December, he was given money to arrange all the logistics for a model who had been flying from Johannesburg to Cape Town. He booked accommodation for her at the Capital Hotel and was instructed by Bester to make her comfortable. Tafi says he was paid a lot of money by the couple. However, he explained that he did not know he was working for a convicted killer and a rapist who had escaped prison. He says he only found out when the couple made headlines. Now, there you have it, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and also share. I will definitely see you in my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.